Alright everyone, welcome back to the channel. Yes, I'm still here at the RV show. It's my sneak peek day. They have allowed me to come in here a day early. And this place is in Hamburg, New York. It does start tomorrow. So, Ballards, these guys are great. They always have the best campers. They always do. I mean, they always have something different. And for the ones that they have, Daryl, the owner, has been gracious enough to allow me to come in here. This one is the 2019. This one actually had the price on it for $39.9, and for the money, it's an Arctic Wolf, which pretty much means I think it's like a winter package. Heavily insulated, and yeah, best insulated, lightweight, nice aluminum stairs. This one is a 26 foot with the bunkhouse. I mean, I'll zoom in on that. And that is their website, the phone number, and the address. They have the outdoor speakers, which are cool because they're blue. Nice big power awning going all the way across. Aluminum rims. You got your little outdoor kitchen. If you hear people talking in the background, there's still the guy setting up. But like I said, they allowed me to come in here. Got a backup camera. So I'll make my way inside of it. Nice aluminum stairs. Nice leather seats. This one I'm really actually impressed with. Nice high ceiling. I know it's a little hard with the LED lights. Ceiling fan. But the kitchen, this is what I really like. Try and get back here. It's got a full-size residential refrigerator. Full size. Nice stainless steel. Got a little oven if you want to make yourself a pizza or something like that. Stainless steel farm sink, or farm style sink. Nice. Use that as a cutting board. That is a big sink. I mean, this is my hand right here. So this is a good size. I mean, you can probably put 2 dinner plates in there real easy. And put this back because I want to leave it open. I mean, the cabinetry is really nice in this too. I mean, nice handles, nice big shelves, big cabinets. Lots of storage in this. And I guess they have something where this app you can put on your phone, so if something ever happens when you're on the road, you can get a hold of them. But this fridge, look at this, full size residential refrigerator and a fifth wheel for a 26 foot and freezer. I mean, it's got a lot in there. But here's the best part. The pantry. The pantry is huge. I mean, walk in. I mean, it goes all the way up. I mean, you even, here's for your television. You even got an extra electrical plug. And it acts as a coat closet too. So you got a nice big, well-lit pantry with all the lights, 1, 2, 3, 3 shelves, plenty of sneakers and shoes or whatever else down there, and put your coats there. And I mean, the ceiling's pretty high. I'm sure if you wanted to add a bar up there to put clothing up there or something, I'm sure you could. And the other thing too, it goes all the way along this wall. I mean, it goes pretty deep. What I like about this one too, the couch right here, it's right in view of the television. A lot of them that I don't like, you have to take your body while you're watching TV and you have to turn yourself to watch television. That's not where the television goes. That right there is extra pantry space, whatever you want. It's got a nice fireplace with a nice stereo system and DVD player, or Blu-ray player, I'm sorry. And then for your kids, you got these 3 stairs. And these are really good sized bunks. They're not the real skinny ones. They're double bunks. So you can get 4 kids in there. Extra cabinet space. There's the AC right there. More hooks. More shelving right there. Put the kids' clothes. And underneath these, of course, you can lift that up, and that's all storage in there. Let me try and take a step up here and give you an idea of what this one really looks like. And this one's only $33.9 for the show. Yes, it is $32.9, but I mean, the show's gonna go for a week. I mean, today is Thursday. I think what the 16th. You know, Thursday of January. But the bedroom, this is something new too, which I have not seen. You are looking at it. That is a fully adjustable, like the Craftmatic adjustable beds. It's adjustable, which is nice. I mean, you can, you know, sit up watching TV, and for some of them, because you can't walk, you know, you can't walk past. When the bed's up, you have room to walk through. So, you know, you shut this door. I mean, you got all this cabinet space right here. All this for a closet. Nice, big, deep closet. The rod's right there for all your coats and whatever else. Good sized dresser, or acts like a dresser for all your doors and dresser drawers. That's a good sized shower. You know, it's your normal size, but it's still a good shower. I mean, I'm 6 foot and you still have plenty of room. So you could be like 6'4", 6'5", and still take a shower in this. You know, regular camper style toilet. But this one actually has a residential sink in it, not the little teeny tiny plastic ones. This one doesn't have that, and it's got the nice cabinet space underneath it. You got your nice big medicine cabinet. So this one, yeah, this is the 2019 Arctic Cat. So, I mean, I can't get around to the other side of it, unfortunately, but is this the outdoor shower? This is, okay. Yeah, it's got a shower in it too. That's nice. But this one for the money, for a 26-foot bunkhouse, for $33,900, that's a good price. Arctic Wolf, and it's heavily insulated too, and it's lightweight, so you won't have any problem moving it. So we'll get on to the next one, and I'll see you guys soon.